Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all well and doing great. I'm in Scotland road trip and right now I am on the Isle of Skye. It's a very beautiful part of Scotland. So we have spent full day on the Isle of Skye. Today we have visited eastern side of Pottery Town, northern part, western and southern part where we visited Ferry pool area, very beautiful. And now it is time to leave the Isle of Skye. So we are going to Armadale port to catch last ferry, but we don't have extra time to reach perfectly on the time. So let's see whether we succeed to catch last ferry on this Isle of Skye. We are just a few miles away from the port and we are very doubtful that we will reach on time. So ferry left 15 minutes ago. We were on the time as per schedule, but the ferry they left earlier than usual time. So now we don't have any option for ferry, therefore we have to stay on the port. We call a couple of camping sites around, but all of them are full because of peak season in Scotland. Yeah, you cannot expect a camping site with the space. The port officer told us that the camping site in parking area is allowed, so we're gonna camping tonight on the port. Then in early morning we will catch a first ferry from here. The port side is very beautiful. You can see rainbow on top of the sea, and this is amazing scenic view from here. When we started camping, that time we were alone on the port, but later on some people came and they started camping as well. So we were 4 or 5 people were doing camping on the port. In the early morning we wake up and then first we went to ticket window. We bought ticket from there, and then after we had very nice breakfast on the port. That time nobody were there, and then we started boarding, and the ferry left within 10 to 15 minutes from there. Now we are at Armadale ferry port and we are taking ferry from here to Mallaig, and then we'll continue our journey from there. So basically ये जो पोर्ट है ये काफ़ी बिजी रहता है, ख़ास करके जो जुलाई, अगस्त और सितंबर में. तो हमने फेरी की टिकट नहीं करवाई थी. अगर हम जब पूछने गए तो पता चला कि एक ही फेरी की टिकट अवेलेबल थी, वो भी अर्ली मॉर्निंग, तो हम उसमें खुद भरे. So this ferry will take 20 to 30 minutes to reach on Mallaig port, and from there we will start our journey to remaining place. So today is very busy day for us to reach on different locations, and then after end of the day we will go to some beautiful camping site. पार्किंग में ट्रैकिंग में जाएंगे।